Experiencing recording issues with your Spectrum DVR? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems like not recording errors, scheduling glitches, or conflicts. The most common culprits are outdated firmware, insufficient storage, and recording conflicts. Start by power cycling your Spectrum cable box. This often resolves temporary software glitches. Next, check your storage space via the Settings menu. If you're trying to record multiple shows at once, you might be hitting tuner limits. Try rescheduling overlapping recordings using the Spectrum app. The Spectrum app also lets you remotely reboot or resync the cable box. Setting up your Spectrum DVR involves connecting the cable box to power, HDMI, and coaxial cable, then activating it via the Spectrum app or website using your account number and serial number. For storage management, delete watched content or upgrade to a cloud DVR plan for more space. Cloud DVR is becoming increasingly important as Spectrum phases out local storage. The future of Spectrum DVR leans toward cloud-based solutions accessible via the Spectrum TV app on devices like Roku or Fire TV. AI integration is also on the rise, automatically resolving scheduling conflicts and offering personalized recommendations. While Cloud DVR offers convenience, ensure your internet infrastructure can support streaming to avoid outages, especially in rural areas.